Hey everybody, this is Troy from TR Tactical and Survival. I've got a really cool product here Melanie picked up for me. It is a Mossy Oak brand 13-in-1 hammer multi-tool. So 13 tools in one in this cool little package with a carrying pouch. So she saw that and grabbed right onto it, didn't even know the price of it, and latched right onto it and said she wanted to get me that. So it's got all stainless steel attachments, aluminum handle, 6 inches length, and an included belt pouch. So this has, I'm just reading the back, it has Linesman Pliers, hammerhead, drop point blade, Phillips screwdriver, fish scale and saw, slotted screwdriver, bottle opener, file, keyring, wire cutters, nail claw, so it's a claw hammer, and standard pliers. So pretty cool looking. I think this is awesome for trim work in a wood shop because of the claw and with all the other utilities. And I mean, it's a convenient little tool. Actually, this is probably going to go in my everyday carry bag because all the different tools, you could use it to break the glass in your car in emergency because of the hammer itself. So that's not a bad EDC tool. So let's see if I can open this up. I don't have all my other tools on me at this time. I left my EDC up by the car. There we go. I didn't want to rip the packaging up too much in case I want to refer to it for all the tools we got. It's heavy. I wasn't sure the heft of it until I got it out of the package. It's pretty solid. All stainless steel. So the handle is aluminum. Oh, this part is aluminum. I see. This is all stainless steel. Hefty, thick metal. And the handle, the orange part, is aluminum. So, okay, I'm guessing that's a clip. Let me see, is that a spring load? There we go. That's a spring. So there's your pliers and wire cutter. Pretty cool. Let's see, comfortable? Yeah, it's not bad. It's a comfortable grip. Really comfortable. I mean, their true test will be working with fencing or wires or cutting with it. So let's see, we got standard pliers, linesman pliers, and wire cutters. Seems like a Leatherman quality wire cutter. It feels good. And then your little normal pliers right there for gripping. You can probably pull some little nails out with that. Closes up pretty solid. No gaps. Looks like it's a good grip on it. And the wire cutter has a nice overlap. So the wire cutter itself looks pretty decent. So I wondered, it says there's a key ring on there. I'm not sure how that's a key ring, to be honest. I know it's your retaining clip to hold that closed during transit. It's a tight clip. You got to really squeeze to get that to release. So that's not going to come apart on you while driving. I guess I can close it back up. And then over here, we've got your tools. There is your drop point knife. It's relatively sharp. I wouldn't say you could shave with it, but it's a decently sharp knife. So there's your knife. Let's leave that out. And then we got a not so high quality looking Phillips head screwdriver. It's a small one. Very small Phillips head. Yeah, it's alright. I guess it looks alright. And we got here your fish scaler slash wood saw. Now that's sharp. That catches skin when you touch it. That's really sharp. That'll probably cut a little bit of wood. And then here you got a file and your standard head screwdriver, also not very large. So this is more for finer work, I'd say, but not the greatest. It's got two sides though. The finer file seems a little bit better than the coarse. The coarse doesn't seem like it's going to do a lot. You can get your nails though. Well, there you go. There's all the tools. Comes with it. Oh, there's your bottle opener. Let's double check things. What was on the tip of that? No, just fish scaler. I'm not sure what that part is exactly about. Your nail file. Can't get it back out now. Oh, there's the tip. Cut my nails too short. Yeah, just your file and your screwdriver. Alright, well there you go. A 13-in-1 Mossy Oak brand multi-function hammer. Nice stainless steel hammerhead and a claw end for removing nails. That's why I think this is going to be great in the wood shop for trim work. If I keep it with me all the time, it's got a deep pocket in there for pulling out your nails. It's got a little bit of a lip. You can't see it from the one side. I don't know if the camera shows it. It's got a little bit of a pocket there for catching that nail head in there nicely. Pretty cool. Well, that's going to stay in my everyday carry. It's not too heavy. They don't show the weight, but I don't think that was a consideration in this case. Feels pretty good. I'll be doing a full review and using it on nails and some trim work here in the coming weeks and months. So stay tuned for updates. Meanwhile, I'll put the link down below and you guys can go ahead and get one yourself. It does feel pretty good. Not a whole lot that can go wrong with it, I think. It's pretty thick. Really, really thick metal. Stainless steel. So it feels solid in the hand. I don't think there's anything that can really go wrong with it for lightweight work, trim work, or like I said, emergency break the window open in the car. I am not going to demonstrate that. I hope I never have to. Oh, by the way, the pouch. There's a pouch. Fit that in there. Could have been made a tiny bit longer. The pouch. Oh, there it comes down. I'm going to work that in there. Being brand new, there it fits. Being brand new, it's awkward getting it in there. The belt loop. I'll probably keep it in the pouch just so it doesn't bang anything else up in my EDC bag. There you go. Line it up in there. Nope, it more has to be hanging out a little bit. There, it has to be off to the side and for that to fit. You can't get it in there sideways. It's got to be like that. It'll fit in there. But at least it'll keep things from banging around in my EDC bag. Yeah, that works. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Another cool product here on TR Tech Tactical and Survival. And hit that bell icon down below to get notifications when I upload new videos.